I'm Susan. Today I am making another new recipe, and it's Ooey-Gooey caramel bars. So I hope it'll taste good. It's a recipe I found in a cake mix book, so we'll give it a try. So I hope you're having a great day. I hope everything's going well for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the full name of this recipe is Ooey-Gooey caramel peanut butter bars. And you'll need 1 yellow cake mix without the pudding, 1 cup of quick cook oats, uncooked, 2/3 a cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 egg slightly beaten, 2 tablespoons of milk, 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's been softened, 1 jar, 12 1/4 ounces of caramel ice cream topping. I made my own. Check out that recipe. And 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 13 by 9 inch baking pan. Now you'll want to combine your cake mix and your quick cooking oats in a large bowl. And you'll want to cut in that peanut butter with a pastry blender or 2 knives until the mixture is crumbly. Now you'll want to blend your egg and your milk in a small bowl and add it to the peanut butter mixture. Once it's combined, you want to reserve 1 1/2 cups of that mixture. And you want to press the remaining peanut butter mixture into your prepared pan. Now just set that aside. Now you'll want to beat your cream cheese in a small bowl with an electric mixer at a medium speed until it's fluffy. Now you'll want to add your caramel topping and beat just until it's combined. Carefully spread your cream cheese mixture over your peanut butter mixture. Now break up your reserved peanut butter mixture into small pieces and sprinkle over the cream cheese mixture. And you'll want to sprinkle over that the chocolate chips. Bake about 30 minutes or until nearly set in the center. It didn't take quite 30 minutes for me. Now you just want to cool it completely on a wire rack. These bars were amazing, and they did not last long at all, and they are definitely a keeper. They were just really, they're undescribable. They were delicious. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.